What's up, everybody? This is Cook Time with Sonia, and tonight I was trying to figure out what I was going to cook, but guess what? I have come to a conclusion. I'm going to make a chicken and vegetable soup with just the things I got in the kitchen. Pretty much everywhere in the United States it's very cold now. Right now, we even got some snow, and we are down here in the dirty South, but we got some snow and ice today, so I'm going to use what I got in the kitchen, which is I have my chicken, I have a couple of chicken breasts. I meant chicken legs that I had in the freezer. I've already went ahead and seasoned them, and I seasoned them this time with the Sazerator, the Goya Sazerator. I'm also going to use chicken bouillon to flavor my chicken soup, and I'm going to start off with using actually 8 cups of water. All right, so that's my 8 cups of water. And then with your chicken bouillon, I think you pretty much, I don't have a certain amount. I season to taste. So it's just going to be whatever, however you like the soup to taste. I'm just going to give that a quick little stir, because I think for me, like I said, and if that's not going to be enough for me, I'll actually put some more in here. But I'm going to let this come to a boil. I'll put a little pepper in here. And then I'm going to let this come to a boil. And with my chicken, I said I seasoned it. I have to make sure that I let y'all know I did wash it. I just didn't do it on camera because I believe that goes without saying. So I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken legs. And then I'm going to bring this to a boil. I'm going to let this cook probably about a good, for me, about 40 minutes, because I want to make sure everything is cooked well, and I don't cook fast with anything. So I'm going to let it come to a boil, cook about a good 40 minutes. And I'm actually going to decide whether I'm actually going to debone the chicken or just leave it, letting the chicken fall off the bone, because that's really how we like it. So I'm going to make a decision on if I'm going to do that or not. But that's the first thing that we're going to do. We're going to let this chicken boil, and then we're going to come back and we will let you see exactly what is going on. So stay tuned. We'll be right back. What's up, y'all? I'm back, and I just wanted y'all to take a look at the chicken. Everything is boiling. I added some red onions and some sweet onions in here, so they pretty much cooked in. So now that my chicken is boiling, and it's probably been boiling all of like 40 minutes, what I like to do, and everybody's different, you can do this or you don't have to. I like tomato paste in mine because I like the actual taste of the bouillon and that little sweet taste that the tomato paste is going to give it. So I'm going to put some tomato paste in here. And once again, it's just all about what you prefer. And then it changes the color a little bit as well. It gives it that little reddish tone to it. That's all I'm gonna use of that. All right, so now that I have done that, I got these carrots and these potatoes that I had to use up before they go bad. So I've already peeled them, washed them, and they're ready to go. So I'm gonna add those in here. Oh, and I did decide not to take the chicken off the bone. We just gonna eat it as is. That's how we like it. That's how we prefer it. That's how Mr. Graham told me he wanted it. So I'm just gonna leave it alone. I'm not gonna even worry about taking it off the bone. All right, last thing is I had this soup mix in the freezer. So I'm going to put this in here as well. And it's just gonna bulk it up. And 4 of us have got to eat it. So it'll be plenty enough for all of us. And then we actually probably will have enough for another day or so, depending on how much we eat. All right, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to let this simmer for about another 30 minutes. And then we're going to come back and we will see exactly how it turned out. So just stay tuned. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. I am back. This is the ending product of my chicken vegetable soup. This stuff is falling off the bone. Now, if you want, because I wanted to do this real quick and I really didn't want to be standing up in the kitchen all night, this probably took me at least an hour to make. We're going to have crackers with it, but you can make cornbread with it. And either one of them will go really good with it. But this is something that you can do really quickly. And if you want to try this, please try it. You can put your spin on it however you want to. Comment down below and let me know if you try this, if you did anything different. If you like this video, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you on the next video. Peace.